Good morning, students. Today we shall start exercise 9.3, in which you will be learning multiplication and division of money. Okay, let's start with question number 1. In this, the question is asking you to multiply rupees 15.50 into 9. Okay, let's start this. First, what you need to do, arrange it in column. Write rupees here, 15.50, write 9 here, 9000, 95045, 4 goes there, put the decimal, 95045 and 4, 49, 4 here, 909 and 4, 13. Okay, so we are getting 139.50. Okay, so it's simple multiplication, 139.50. Clear? 9000, 945, 945, 49, 4, 909, 13. Okay, see here, the question is simple multiplication. So other two questions, question number B and C, you can do as homework. Okay, now let's move to question number 2. At a fruit shop, 1 kg of bananas cost rupees 16.80. Find the cost of 3 kg bananas. See, the cost of 1 kg is given and you need to find the cost of 3 kg. Just multiply it by 3. You'll get the answer. So do question number 2 by yourself. At a fair, Radhika bought 8 saris, each costing rupees 249.75. Means cost of one sari is 249.75. How much did she pay? Okay, so what you need to do, 8 into 249.75 you will be doing, you'll get the answer. Okay, so here also it is simple multiplication. Write the statement and find out the answer. Question number 4. The price of a tricycle is rupees 320.09. Okay, price of one tricycle is this much. Tarun bought 15 tricycles. So what you need to do, multiply it by 15, you will get the price of 15 tricycles. So do question number 4 also by yourself. Clear? So here also you will be doing question number 2, 3 and 4. Clear? Now let's move to question number 5. Read the following menu and then answer the questions. Clear? See, the menu is given here. Okay, with this menu we need to find out the price of each item bought. See, how much money would Anita pay for a coffee and 2 packets of biscuits? Okay, let's find out. Question number 5. A. For this, you need to make this table in a copy. You need to make this table in your copy. Clear? Here, how much money would Anita pay for a coffee and 2 packets of biscuits? See, the price of a coffee is 12.75 and price of a packet of biscuit is 4.35. But Anita has bought 2 packets of biscuits. So, right, cost of a coffee equals to rupees 12.75. Clear? Put the sign of rupees here. Now, cost of 2 packets of biscuits. equals to 2 into how much? 4.35. 2 into 4.35, you can multiply simply here. 2 5s are 10, put 0, 1 goes here, 2 3 6, 1 7, put the decimal, 2 4s are 8. So rupees 8.70. Okay, therefore Anita paid equals to 12.75 plus 8.70. Clear? Rupees. Okay, and 5 7 7 14, 1 goes 8 to 10, 1 11, 1 2, rupees 21.45. Clear? Like this you have to find out the other answers. Okay, so from question number 5 you can do B and C by yourself using the same method. Using the same method you will be looking at the price list. Clear? Now let's move to question number 6. In question number 6 it is asking you to divide. It is asking you to divide. Clear? Question is asking you to divide. Rupees 42.90 divided by 3. Clear? Now question number 6. A. Rupees 42.90 by 3. Okay. See, we know how to divide. You have already done this kind of division in the decimal chapter. So you can write simply rupees 42.90 divided by 3, like this you will be writing, and here the answer. Okay, let's do the division in this part. 42.90. okay, 3 ones are 3. Okay, 1, what comes down? 2, 3 4s are 12. Okay, what is left? 0. What is there after that? Decimal. Put a decimal. What comes down? 9. 3 3s are 9. Clear? 0. What comes down? 0. So 0s are 0. Clear? So we have got rupees 14.30. Rupees 14.30. Okay. After solving each and every question, you need to verify your answer from the back side of the book. At the end of the book, there are answer keys. Okay. You need to verify your answer from the back after solving each and every question. Okay. Now, here we have done the division. So question number B and C, you can travel yourself. Homework question B and C. Okay. Now, let's move to question number 7, 8, 9, 10. See here, I'll explain you the question. These are very simple questions. What you need to do, you need to write the statement and divide. Clear? The cost of 6 books is rupees 1277.40. Find the cost of one book. Okay, let's do this question. Let's do one question. Okay. Question number 7. Solution. Cost of 6 books equals to rupees 1277. Rupees 1277. .40. Cost of one book. To find cost of one book, what you need to do? To find cost of one book, what you need to do? 1277.40 will be divided by 6. So here write 1277.40 divided by 6. Okay, so what you need to do the division in this part. 1277.40 by 6. 6 2s are 12. Okay, what comes down? 7. 6 1s are 6. What is left? 1. What comes down? 7. 6 2s are 12. What is left? 5. Clear? What is before, after 7, what is there? Decimal. Put a decimal. What comes down? 4. 6 9s are 54. Clear? 6 9s are 54. What is left? Nothing. What comes down? 0. 0. 0s are 0. So nothing left. Okay. So we have got here, after dividing 1277.40 by 6, we are getting 212.90. So rupees 212.90. So here you can write the answer statement. Therefore, cost of one book is rupees 212.90. Clear? Like this you can solve other questions. Okay, question number 9, 10, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 8, 9, 10 you have to solve by yourself. If you find any difficulty, we will be discussing about all these questions in the next online class. And one more very important information, there will be no online class today. So you have to watch this video and complete your work. Okay, thank you.